Hello student, let's try to understand physical properties of alcohol, right? So dear student, alcohols and phenol consist of two parts. Alcohols and phenol are the different, an alkyl and aryl group and a hydroxyl group. So here is the alcohol is ROH student, but in the phenol it is what C2H5OH. So this is the aryl group and this is the alkyl group. The properties of alcohols and phenol are chiefly due to the hydroxyl group. Okay, so their properties is not because of the R group student, it is because of the OH group. The nature of alkyl and aryl group simply modified this property. Either they are going to increase or they are going to decrease. Okay, now the first physical properties is what student? Boiling point. The boiling point of alcohols and phenol increases with increase in the number of carbon atom, increase in the van der Waals force of attraction. So number of carbon atom if you are talking about, proportional to what is their student? Boiling point. Greater the number of carbon atom, greater will be boiling point. In alcohols, the boiling point decreases with increase in branching. So if the branching increases student, boiling point is going to decrease, like it is having the less boiling point compared to the straight chain student. Okay, so here if you see this one, this is the branch one and this is the straight chain, so it is having more boiling point than this one, because decrease in van der Waals force with the decrease in the surface area. So surface area decreases means what student? Van der Waals force of attraction also decreases. So branching, if you are talking is about student branch, so more branching is student inversely proportional to boiling point student. This is the OH group in alcohols and phenol involve intermolecular hydrogen bonding as shown. So they are involving in the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, we know that one. Now it is interesting to note that boiling point of alcohol and phenol are higher in comparison to other classes of compounds, namely hydrocarbon, ethers, haloalkane, haloarenes of comparable molecular masses. For example, ethanol and propane have comparable molecular masses, but their boiling point differ widely. The boiling point of methoxymethane is intermediate of the two boiling point. So first one is, if you are talking about here, you see, interesting to note that boiling point of alcohol and phenol are higher in comparison to other class of compound, namely hydrocarbon, ether, haloalkanes and haloarenes of comparable molecular mass. For example, if you are talking about C2H5OH, ethanol is there, propane is there students, C3H8 propane is there of comparable molecular mass, but their boiling point differ widely, means this is there. The boiling point of methoxymethane is intermediate of the boiling point of the two. So here it will be what student? This will be the OH, and here is suppose that in the center we can put the methoxymethane. So you will find that is the alcohol, ether is having intermediate boiling point between the alcohol and phenol. This is so ethanol, you can see molecular mass 46, boiling point 351, and ethers is 248, and here is what is there student? Propane 231, right? The higher boiling point alcohol, mainly due to the presence of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in them, which is lacking in ether and hydrocarbon. So that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding is responsible. Solubility, second physical property is solubility. Solubility of alcohol and phenol in water is due to their ability to form the hydrogen bond with water molecule as shown. The solubility decreases with increase in size of alkyl and aryl group, phenolic group. Several Of the lower molecular masses, alcohol are miscible with the water in whole proportion. So since they are forming the hydrogen bonding student with the water molecule, you can see how many water molecules are getting surrounded with the alcohol. So they are alcohols are highly soluble in water. So this is all about the physical properties of alcohol. Thank you so much for watching.